This is crazy. Look it, I shot with my baby right there. Beautiful. Yeah, I know. And look what it did to the target. It completely shattered the target. It wouldn't even stand anymore. Look at this, dude. A 380 FPS weapon. Look, it even broke this piece. Look. Dang, still got one more standing. Let's go out and try it. Where should I put this? I don't want to risk you putting over there. Okay. Sorry, guys. Hopefully you guys forget it. One hand. Oh, shooting. Semi. Aim a little bit. Dang, see that? Crazy. Holy shit. Oh. Well. Zoom back out. Yeah, dude, my gun is a beast. Spray painted the mag. Try to go for gold. You know that gold color? But it's matte gold. Let's go check it out. What happened to it? A bunch of fucking ants. Oh, no, nothing. We're still good. Oh, shit. Actually, we're not good. We're not good at all, huh? Fucking ants, man. I'm shooting towards my grandma's water fountain that she always had but never used. Holy fucker. Holy shit. I guess I'll still be standing. I guess. Guys, if you want, I'm gonna be at Camp Pendleton on Saturday, this Saturday, coming up, and playing Airsoft at the Airsoft park. If you want, you can come with me. If you don't, doesn't matter. But, oh shit, oh yeah. Previous BBs when I shot in the box before. Little homemade target. Destroyed the shit out of it. Alright, catch you guys later. Peace!